What's up guys? Today we are looking at this Anker USB C charger. It is 33 watts. It has two ports, USB-C, USB-A, and it is geared towards charging smartphones. I got this on Amazon for 22 euros. It was a replacement for the old one, which they don't make anymore. I believe, what's the name on this one? Okay, so this one is called Anker 323 charger, 33 watts. This is to replace a PowerPort PD2 charger. What happened was one of the prongs on the charger broke, and I went to Anker customer support just to check if the warranty was still valid, but it wasn't. So they sent me a discount on this product. Oh, there it is. Anker 323 charger, made in China, in white, 33 watts. Let's open it. Has this tab. Charger's a lot smaller than the old one. And the good thing about this is, oh, it's pretty heavy. It is pretty heavy. It has these oh, that's pretty cool. How do you just press? Oh, okay. So there's this kind of place where you can put your nail, and it puts up all three of them. Like so. Yeah, hang on a second. The instructions. Just go through the English version. There, the English version. Yeah, it's just some safety instructions. That is it. So I'm just going to test this. I'm going to run, I need to run a cable through this. One moment, please. So for the previous PD charger, there was lights, but I don't think there's any light indicator here. So I'm going to plug this into my mains. Okay. And it works. It's fast charging. 45 minutes to full charge from, oh, that's out. 45 minutes until full charge from 68%. Yep, let me just unplug that. Yep, so there we have it. This is the Anker 323 charger, I believe. And it's 33 watts. I don't have any measuring devices for the 33 watts, but can you calculate? I don't know if you guys can calculate it from the charging time. So 45 minutes, 68% to go to 100%. I'm just going through the description. Let me go over the reviews. Ooh, 12% have 1 star. Let me have a look. 3 stars. Okay, I bought this adapter for my Pixel 7 Pro. It has Type-C to Type-C. This adapter is great because it has 2 ports. Yeah, USB-C, USB-A. I can use it to charge my phone and other devices at the same time. Drawback is I notice how hot it gets, which is a bit off-putting, and it worries me if it's damaging my device. Usually chargers get hot anyway. Maybe if you're charging 2 at the same time, it can get hotter, but yeah, that wouldn't be a big issue for me because I usually charge it 1. I am interested to see what the longevity of this is. Will this get loose? I keep doing it, but yeah, in the long run, I'll see. Yeah, so there we have it. The Anker 323 charger, 33 watts. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.